Hey gang, y'all welcome back to the Roadhouse, man. Today we'll be firing up the Traeger pellet grill, and we're going to be smoking a 4-pound Angus chuck roast. Thing looks pretty nice, man. Y'all check this out. Well, nice looking roast, y'all. And what we're going to do, I got a mail call, well, twice this week actually. I got some more stuff from Uncle Steve. I got some more sweet and spicier. I got 2 of those, and then I got another thing of the Gator Shake, and I got a cool t-shirt, man. I'll show y'all that in a little bit. But the other mail call I got was actually Kosmos Q. I know y'all heard of this. Everybody's using Brother Kosmos stuff. I got the cow cover, the regular, and I got some honey chipotle killer bee rub, and I got the Texas beef rub, and I had to get some SPG. Today what we're going to be using, we're going to use the cow cover and a little bit of SPG on this roast right here. So let's get back down here, y'all. Let's get this thing seasoned up. And we're going, while that's getting happy on there, I'm gonna let it go ahead and marinate, and then we're gonna fire up the Traeger and let it do its thing. So, did I even open these? Yeah, I did. I'll junk out the way, moonshine. We got time for that. Alright. So we're gonna hit that with a little bit of the cow cover here. Look at that color, y'all. That's pretty, huh? And we're gonna let this smoke for a couple of hours, y'all. I'll be using some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Oh, look at that. SPG, y'all. It tastes really good stuff. Alright. Now, I didn't have to trim any fat off this thing or nothing like that. Just a real nice looking roast, man. Alright, gang, we gonna get the Traeger fired up. I'll meet y'all outside. Hey, y'all, welcome back. Well, we got the Traeger coming up to temp. Our truck roast is sitting there marinating, getting happy. Y'all, I just got another mail call. I actually forgot I ordered this. I was looking for a good injection needle. So I went to Amazon and found this. I think it was, I don't know, I don't remember how much it was, 20 bucks or something. Grill bump. Stainless steel food grade injector. Man, this thing is pretty neat. I just washed it and all. It's very nice. Got my doctor glove on. But 3 different size needles, y'all. The needles have O-rings, heavy duty too, man. This stuff is heavy. Got O-rings on there, and I've just got the straight needle, like for regular injecting. This needle has got holes all the way around it at the bottom here, and the tip is closed on this one. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but and then we got a super duty, huge, almost looks like a piece of macaroni, man, on the end there. Big old needle for injecting big stuff, like big turkeys and stuff, or you know, if you want to have some chunky seasoning to inject your meats with, that won't get clogged up. But what we gonna do, gang, this is pretty neat. Let me show y'all. I can't help it, man. I know I'm maybe getting a little off track, but that's okay. But a nice thick O-ring on the stopper there. You know, you got your pull handle there. Hey now. It's dribbling on me, y'all. But so what we gonna do, man? I just, you know what? I love new stuff. How about y'all? Alright, I got some beef broth. Okay? Y'all know where I'm going with this, right? Of course you do. Alright, so what we gonna do? We'll put some of this cow cover, just a little bit, in the beef broth, and we're gonna stir that up a little bit. And we're gonna try our new injection needle. How about that? See how that tastes. Oh hell yeah! Boy, that's gonna be a killer roast. All right, y'all come down here and let's look. Let's see if we can't get a little zoomage here. All right, now. So I just got the standard needle in there. You gotta love that, right? Under there. I know I've had the injectors where you grab it with both hands, your hands all dirty and stuff. This thing is awful nice, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Got a skeeter. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there like that. Ooh, look at that, man. Did y'all see that? So it's squirting everywhere. So we're gonna hit that one more time with this stuff. Oh yeah, just moving around a little bit, every couple of inches or so. And oh man, I hope I don't hit my camera with that. Whoever said injecting can't be fun? Not me. Not. Okay, y'all. We're gonna try that a little bit. Just put the rest on there. Alright, so that's good for that. And I'll use the rest of that maybe I'll baste it after a while or something and see. So alright, so there you have it, guys. We got that did. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all too. Cool thing about this, y'all come back up here for a second. It comes with extra O-rings and stuff, a little kit for the needles and for the plunger, and 2 different size little cleaning brushes so you can clean all the junk out of there. Not bad, man. Y'all check that out. That's a Grill Bump stainless steel food grade injector on Amazon.com. Alright, get that junk out of here. Alright, gang. Enough goofing around. I'll meet y'all outside and throw this on the grill. Check this out, man. I told you I'd show y'all Uncle Steve's t-shirt. That is cool, man. It's pretty blue. Good quality, man. Just go to the site and get you some. Alright, gang, y'all welcome back. Grill's up to temp. Open this bad boy up. Let's set this dude on here, y'all. Put it right in the middle. Oh yeah, all that juice, man. See how that injection's going down on this here. Just pour some juice over this. Now they reserve some for the, maybe we'll hit it with a little brush after a while. I'll let that go with some smoke. Give it about another hour. We'll check it out. Alright, gang, it's been an hour. See how we looking. Too bad, man. So we don't smoke. Let's check our temp right quick. See there, 204. It's on smoke. See there? It's pretty warm. Let's see what probe 1 says. 100 degrees. Alright, we're going to let it smoke about another hour. And we'll check back on it. So we'll be back in an hour. Alright, it's been about 2 hours. Let's see how we looking. Yeah. Look at that. Boy, that's alright. Getting a little bark set on there. Okay. Close it back down. Let's check our temp now. Now look at that. That's our smoke temp. About 190. Let's check our probe and see what we got on temp now. 118. Alright, so it's coming up slow. You know what? We're gonna jack this dude up. Let's see. Let's go 350 for a little while. We'll go 350 about 30 minutes, so then we'll see what we got. So we'll be back. Alright. This being about another 30 minutes or so, 40 minutes, 350. Let's see what we got. Oh, man, that looks nice, y'all. Yes, indeed, boy. nice. And I didn't tell y'all, close this back down so y'all can hear me. I'm using a competition blend on my pellets, and I'm running Pit Boss pellets. This thing, I can't get over the fuel mileage this thing gets, y'all. And again, I had it up to about right here. We're going on there 3 hours. So anyway, competition blend gang. It's got hickory maple and apple. That's pretty good. That's our pit temp. Let's check out probe number 1. See what we got here. 155. Alright. I might just wrap it in some foil and put it in that pan and let it cook. So we'll get that figured out. Y'all will be back in a few minutes. Alright gang, we got our roots pulled off. We're going to dump the rest of this liquid in here. That cow cover and that beef stock. Wrap this dude up. We're going to set it back on there. Check back in about 30 minutes, check it for temp. Alright y'all, about another 30 minutes. See how our temp looks here. Oh, 1, how she look? 206, alright guys. Let's do this. Let's crank it down to about 275. I'm gonna pull this, I'm gonna put it in the pan, I'm gonna put some sauce in it, and when I get that done, I'll be right back. Y'all gotta see this, man. Look at that. Juicy, bubbly. We'll slice it up, and we'll roll it like that, you know. Alright, let me get that transferred, put it back in there. Alright gang, we had to improvise a little bit. That meat was a little tougher than I expected, especially that temp. But that's okay, it's still gonna eat good. But man, y'all check out that smoke ring that Traeger put on that bad boy. Look at that. Pretty red. Alright, so we got this sliced up, y'all. We're just gonna go the alternative route. No big deal. It won't ruin the cook. Anyway. Get this back and then let it get that sauce stew for a minute, and we'll be back. Alright y'all, we back. Let this go on the Traeger for about another 30, something like that. Turned out pretty good, y'all. Showed y'all the little smoke ring and stuff, and we had it, just covered it back up and let it go, you know, about another 30 minutes in the barbecue sauce and the beef juices and everything. Let's just grab us a little piece here and see. Cheers, y'all. Good flavor. You sure would have thought it'd been a lot more tender, especially with the injection and stuff on there. But not bad, y'all. The cow cover, nice, man. Really good on beef, man. Kosmos Q, y'all check him out, man. Uncle Steve's Shakes, rocking. Suckle Busters is rocking. There's so many good rubs out there, y'all. I guess it's to your personal preference. I love all these rubs, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna make a sandwich, a barbecue beef sandwich. I got a coleslaw and stuff, so I'm gonna build this up. Let me reposition, gang, and we're gonna build a sandwich because I'm hungry. I'll be back in a minute. Alright y'all, let's build this sandwich. Get us some of this beefy goodness in here. Smells pretty darn good, to tell you that, and it tastes good. Just a little tough for my liking, so alright. There we go. Now we're getting straight moonshine. Alright. Get us a little sauce on there, y'all. Alright. And we're going to put us a little coleslaw. Don't see that? You know it, Daddy. Got to have coleslaw. And myself personally, I want a couple of pickles. There you go, man. Mighty fine. Nice and simple. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Excellent flavor. But boy, that meat's a little tough. Good little coleslaw, a pickle, cow cover. Good stuff, y'all. Now, it's not a burger bun, so I just use regular bread. Alright, gang. I think that's a wrap. We got a mess going on right here, and that's good. Hey, that's when you know it's good. Come over here. Alright, so this cook is definitely not a fail. We just had to rethink our strategy. I wanted shredded beef, like when you shred a brisket. That cut of meat right there should have been pretty tender, I think. Especially the temp I cooked, and they cooked for, shoot, 4-5 hours, man, altogether, you know. But anyway, it is what it is. It's good, it's edible. I'm giving a thumbs up for the flavor and everything. A little tough, but it's edible, very edible. So, I appreciate y'all stopping by Roadhouse, man. Y'all have a good weekend, and we'll see y'all next time.